Hello everybody, it's Henry Wiederman working at HT 131 Stihl, and I'm reassembling the cutting head. So I've cleaned everything up. I've already done a video on oilers in, oiler screen, suction boot, the vibration oiler, or plug. I knocked that plug out. You just pounded out the other one, pounded in this one. I have to look up and see what that is. I never really gave it some. I put some grease in the bottom already. So next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put some silicone on this one half. Get this one half with silicone on it, because this is what you're going to press back together to keep the grease in the head. I do it up past right here where this bearing sits. I do it up to this point right here where the other screws lock it down. Not this, you don't go all the way up here. That's where it goes into the shaft. And this is just to seal it so the grease don't come out. Make sure you got a decent coat on. You got it. So it'll come back. The grease will ooze out of it. What will really happen is the oil will come out of the grease and it'll just weep. Okay, so that half is ready. So like I said, I use a high temp bearing grease. Don't be afraid to put a lot in there. It's gonna spin in there. Easy, you just take the bearing, tuck it in. Drop right in, and then you can see it, and then give it a spin until it picks up grease. What I do is put enough in the bottom until it picks it up. That drive gear should pick it up, and you know you got enough in there. It'll spin around and pick it up for you. There it goes. And it's picking up the grease. Ain't gonna hurt it. Grease it up. There's quite a bit in there when I took it out. It'll sling it around in there. There it goes. And this is the drive gear. You drop that in. And it's picking up grease. There you go. You got enough grease in it. Looks good. Flip your bearing half over. Your cover. Put it straight down. Lock it down. And it looks like I got good. I'll take it back off and check it. Make sure you're good. A little bit more. A little gasket penetration. There you go. Start your screws back. Remember, don't use your tool to lock these down. They're aluminum. It'll strip them right out. Screws have a little bar bottom on it, so they'll lock down. Cross torque them down once you get them started. And there you go. Voila. You've done replaced the bearings and the cover, and next process. All right, Henry Wiederman out. Next we'll put the oil tank on. Have a good weekend.